Hello everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to open some presents from my mum. My mum lives in the UK and so she sent two giant parcels and I thought I'd open them with you guys. I have a feeling that these are our Christmas presents. I don't know whether there's any damage because there is a dent in the actual parcel, so we'll see together. I'll open it up and come back to you. Did it make it? Did it make it? Okay, so the first thing says, the first box, that little square box says, something for your new garden when it's finished, love Mum and Robin. Now my garden is just about to be landscaped on Monday. It's Saturday today and they came yesterday to spray out the garden. So yeah, we're gonna have it landscaped, so Mum knows that, and this is what she's created. Now my mum is where I get all my crafty goodness from, so I'm just going to lay that down so that you can see. And it has this beautiful leaf on the base and all of these cones and then beads along. So my mum does ceramics. And so that's where I get my crafty talent from, is my mum. And so then I've got this cable that runs all the way through, and I think you can probably hear it, but it's like a chime, so it's going to hang up. So it's hard for me to show you guys without it. So yeah, she's glazed it really well, and she would have used a glaze on this that would be suitable for outside as well. So I'm just going to pop that one down. And then I'm going to open the other box and come back to you. Okay, so I've opened the other parcel and we've got these in here, and I'm hoping nothing's broken. And then we also have these. So I'll show you these in a second. And yeah, I think my mum's been really naughty and got me something that I was talking to her about. So let's open this one first. These are cute little pin badges. So we've got a little bunny, a little dove, and a little chick. So my mum does sell her stuff in the UK, and I believe she's got an Etsy. It's Macmillan Crafts. I'll put it in the description if anyone wants to hop over and see what she does, or even make a purchase. And then in this one here we have these beautiful hearts, but the best part about them is they're little magnets. So they'll be able to actually just sit on my fridge. I'll probably keep them here in my craft room and put them on something that they can go on, like magnetic. So I'll pop those down there. Now this one I can see one of my favourite things, which is rainbows. Oh, beautiful, look. So it's a rainbow and it says Hope 2020. So obviously she's been making these for COVID and the NHS, and it stands just like that, which is beautiful. So then she's even done the history that we're going to need later, which is beautiful. So that's my mum's handwriting, by the way. Isn't it stunning? So I'll open up this one. I'm hoping this is safe. Oh dear, I think we've had a casualty, but I can glue it back together. So we have Mrs. Polar Bear and Baby Polar Bear. So that will sit just like that, and then Baby Polar Bear sits in with Mum on the front. So I'll stand them up, which is really hard for you guys to see, but that's how they sit. I'll see whether I can actually bring the camera down, bear with me, so that you can see what they look like. There they are, cute. And then you've got Mama Polar Bear there. So I'll bring it back up, and I'm sorry if I've just made anyone dizzy or sick from actually being moved around. So that's those. So that's my mum's craft. And like I said, easy to fix Mama Polar Bear's leg. I will pop some glue on her leg. Bring those across there. And then my mum's obviously been purchasing for me because she knew that I wanted to do the paper making. And so what I did was, instead of actually buying the frame that you can actually do the paper making with, I actually made one of my own with a it was a frame that I bought from Bunnings, and I bought some fly screen and I just staple gunned it to the frame. So probably not as professional as these. So that's those. And then some beautiful dried flowers that I'll be able to actually put in the paper and also in wax seals. I've already done some wax seals from my mum's flowers, and that will be a separate video. So they're beautiful. So yeah, Mum actually sent me some flowers here in Australia, so she actually had them delivered straight to me. But these are the ones that she's purchased in the UK and sent through, and I guess we'll be quiet and not let customs know. So we've got 3 frames, which is awesome because it means then you can do 3 different sets of paper all at the same time, and you don't have to keep just working on one and then having to go all the way back. So you could actually do, so thanks Mum. So there's this one as well. Oh, it's beautiful. So we've got some more pin badges. So Hope 2020 with some rainbows and Care 2020. So they are really, really pretty. And then this one here has the hole in so I can actually dangle it. It says stay home, stay safe. Isn't that beautiful? Love my rainbows. Love, love, love my rainbows. So I'll bring that one in. And so we'll just have a quick squiz at these flowers. So you've got lots of pinks, some purples, some yellows and some blues. So I look forward to playing with those as well. So I'll bring these in and pop them there. Bring baby polar bear in and bring up the chime from my mum. So this is the talent that she has. I'm a paper crafter and she does pottery and ceramics. My mum was also a fabulous painter as well. She has very, very good drawing skills and fantastic at art. So I will leave you guys to it. Thank you so much for popping in today. Thank you for seeing what my mum sent my way across the world. And thank you so much, Mum, if you watch this. Alright, take care. Bye. Lots of crafty love. Bye.